sanctuary, and this is what it was like.
Okay, Taylor, feed your first elephant.
Okay, Nick, feed your elephant.
Okay.
Remember how to hold it?
Yep.
Feed that one.
You want this? Oh! You want another one? Oh yeah. I know you want it. Bon. Bon, you still hungry? Okay. Okay. Do you want this?
Oh!
Oh, eats all. Nice. This is my new best friend. His name is Max. I just named him.
Ready?
Yeah, you're a big gentle giant, eh? I want an elephant like instead of a dog now.
Yeah. Let's keep it in the backyard.
Yeah, like I think that'd be cool.
Okay. Hey, big boy.
Okay, Taylor's now made a new friend. You can't be scared.
Don't be scared.
Put your face against them.
Coming. Okay, which one?
Oh.
This camera. Okay, this camera. Okay. One more. Look at camera.
So apparently, big elephants like this eat 300 kilograms of food per day.
Almost as much as me.
Yeah, and they sleep 4 hours a day and eat 20 hours a day. That's the life Taylor said she wants to live. Sounds like a good life.
Literally like petting just a pet. So Nick got stuck with the veterinarian job. Actually, he didn't get stuck, he volunteered.
I volunteered.
To be the veterinarian today. for
Well,
the
because
elephants.
now it says that I got a certificate.
Oh.
So
You just wanted the certificate.
yeah.
Gotcha.
So now I'm an elephant veterinarian, so if anybody has some problems with their elephant, if you have one, you know, just hit me up. I got my certificate. We're good to go.
How old are her?
32.
How old are her?
16.
76 years old. 76 years old. 76 years old.
So does my grandma.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, next one. My sexy girl. Now you come help me. I need tall girl. Can you help me, okay?
Bath time. Gotta get the behind of them, eh?
Another side. Let's go. Walk another side.
Just hard at work.
Right here, Scar.
Yeah.
And someone you can check tail. Mika,
Yes, it's like
a brush.
Yeah, little brush. We gotta use this one for protection.
Okay, now it's bath time. I know. You gotta clean everyone. Last time.
Get closer. Get close.
That's okay. No problem. The elephant has now pooped in the water, so that's what this time calls for. Now Taylor's filled with poop water.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah, so am I. Now it's mud time for the elephants.
Come. This mud time. Okay.
Mud time.
Turn.
Oh!
Camera. It's sexy skin. Yay!
Oh yeah. Now I won't get a sunburn. Put it on the elephant.
Don't do it.
It's mud time now.
Don't do it.
Hey, don't take my mud.
No.
No, it's good sunscreen for you. Yes, it's good for your skin. Yes. You don't have to go to the spa now. Now Taylor's really filled with it.
Getting a spa day.
Spa day.
Self-care. Self-care. You got all the mud on?
Yeah, people who truly got muddy like me are still showering.
So that was our day with the elephants at the sanctuary. So the company we went with was called Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. They have places, they have camps in Chiang Mai,
Koh Samui,
Koh Samui, Phuket, and Bangkok, or just outside of Bangkok.
Pattaya.
Pattaya.
Yeah.
And it was really good. So companies like this rescue elephants from like companies that use them for riding, for logging, and for like shows, like kind of like circus shows
Yeah.
and stuff. Because in Thailand, it's a really big issue with elephants getting abused and not taken care of as well as they should be, and being chained up and just mistreated pretty much. So companies like this take them and they bring them kind of on the outskirts of Thailand. Like, I don't
Yeah.
know, like we went like 2 hours outside of Chiang Mai in like the middle of nowhere, and they can just kind of roam around however they like, and they get treated like medical wise, they get fed really well.
good.
And they're just very happy, and they get to kind of roam around and do whatever they please, kind of.
Yeah. And the reason some people can't take care of the elephants is because elephants eat like 300 to 400
Yeah.
kilos of food
So,
per day.
if you see us at the beginning wearing like these funny shirts or whatever, it's because they're kind of like what the people of the Karen tribe wear.
Yeah.
And they have elephants too in their tribe, but they will foster them off to these companies just because they can't afford to feed them properly and like treat them good enough as these sanctuaries can, because they just can't afford it. So yeah, that's also where they will get their elephants from too. Oh, hi, Katie. But yeah, it was a really good experience. And just remember, if you're going to Thailand, go to a sanctuary, do your research, look up ethical elephant sanctuaries, and go with that.
Right. So thank you everybody for watching this video. It was a really awesome day with the elephants, and they're really friendly giants. That's all elephants really are.
They're like
they
big
just eat
puppies.
and yeah. They say that elephants look at humans like we look at dogs, so that's the way to kind of look at it.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Bye.